Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to install Nothing Launcher on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store. Now from here, just search Nothing Launcher. Now from here, just install this app. Now it will take a few seconds to download the app. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, tap on Accept. Now from here, just give this app these permissions. Now from here, just select your wallpaper. I will select this one. Now from here, just select Nothing Launcher and select Set as Default. Now as you can see, this is how you can install Nothing Launcher on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.